In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how you can provide your personal training clients with a meal plan, complete with shopping lists and recipes, in just a couple minutes. Hello, and thanks for being here. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Doug, and I do the training videos here at Nutrition Maker. At the end of this video, we'll show you how your clients will receive their meal plans, both in person and online. So stick around for that. But right now, the first step is to add your client. So let's get right into the software. We'll move to the Add Client section, and we'll enter the client's first name, last name, date of birth, and other pertinent information. By the way, if you haven't watched our short tutorial on the overview of the Basic Nutrition Maker program, I'd highly encourage you to do that now. It's not crucial, but it can help. It will make your life a lot easier knowing just how to get around in the program. Also, before we go too much further, I did want to say that when we added the client's information, the date of birth, their gender, and their height was required because the software is using an established basic metabolic rate equation to establish correct calories. Okay, so we go to the client and we choose the tab on the right. Then we go over to nutrition. We choose nutrition information. And here is where the program will establish the number of calories required for that particular client. By providing healthy meal plans to your clients, they can use those as samples or guidelines over a time frame of anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks, which will encourage them and let them adopt that new, better eating and healthy lifestyle. Let us know in the comments below how you like to provide nutritional education to your clients. The first step is to add in the client's weight. Now, if this is in-person client, you'll just put them on a scale. Next, we choose a target weight. If it's an online client, you'll just request them to do a weigh-in test and send that information to you. Now we save it after putting in a target weight. By the way, this will work regardless of whether your client wants to lose weight or gain weight, as in the case of perhaps a bodybuilder. The next step is to put in the client's activity level. Let's get close to the proper guidelines. They'll know whether it's very light exercise or moderate. We'll choose moderate for now. And then below that, we have a weight loss or weight gain goal. Depending on what your client wants, you have the ability to lose a weight by a certain date, or you can lose a certain amount of pounds until that goal is achieved. The program will not allow you to lose more than 2 pounds per week. In this example, we'll just simply choose 2 pounds per week. Now, when we go back up to the top of the screen, you'll see that the recommended calories is around 1,492. And this will be the meal plan parameters. Next, come over to the Meal Plan tab, right below the Nutritional Information tab. And here you can see all the meal plans that are available in that particular calorie range. Also remember that all of our meal plans are made by registered dietitians. Before we choose the plans, I do want to show you that there is an option to see all of the plans, which will give you all the different calorie ranges, or you can go to the recommended calorie range. You can also search for a plan by its name. Most of our plans are 7 days, and they're in the calorie range from around 1,000 to up to 3,200 calories. Remember that plans can be viewed prior to issuing them to your client. We typically advise new users to briefly look over the various plans so they're more familiar with them. Not that it's necessary to view every calorie range for every plan, but it's a good idea to do a quick scan of all of our various plans just to have a general idea of how they look. This is a good time to mention that we do offer a free 2-week trial. It's no obligation, no credit card required. It's a great opportunity to learn how to use the program and see if it will meet your needs. Also, if you're getting value out of this video, we would appreciate you giving us a like. All right, let's get back into the program. It's also possible to provide a client more than one plan, so we can give them 2 7-day plans and they're covered for 2 weeks. In this case, we're going to give them a detox plan. followed by antioxidant. By clicking the Add button, it moves them over to the selected plans. If you've chosen one by accident, you can remove it by clicking on the red X. If you want to change the order, you can do that as well. We're going to keep it back the original way with detox first and then antioxidant. After that, you can also randomize days. In this case, it's probably better to let them detox and then move into antioxidant. And then we simply click on Issue. Now the meal plan has been selected. Down below, we have a history of the meal plans that you provide them. This is a combination of the detox and the antioxidant. And it's really as simple as that, to issue a meal plan to your client. All right, so as promised, let's show you how your clients receive their meal plans. If you're working with an online client, they'll receive an email, which will have a link that will open up their personal nutrition portal, and then they can access their meal plan on their desktop computer, laptop, or even a tablet. If they have a printer, they can print the plan. They also have the option of using our free client phone app. The app has no ads and works both with Android or iPhone. If you're working with a client in person, or somebody that might be a little, let's say, technology challenged, then you can just print the plan along with the shopping list and the recipes. And of course, with an in-person client, you can give them an email and print the plan for them, so they'll have both options. Afterwards, you can go back to your client area, open up the overview page, and then you can see the current weight, target weight, ideal weights, and other details of their meal plans. It really is as simple and fast as that. Issuing a meal plan does not have to be hard, and it does not have to be time-consuming. We have many more tutorials coming up in the near future, so please click on subscribe so you don't miss any new tutorials. Let us know what kind of videos you would like to see, and we'll be back next time. Thanks for watching.